Welcome to my Jamaican YouTube channel. On this channel, I take you on a journey to explore the vibrant and rich culture of Jamaica. Whether you're a Jamaican living abroad, a curious traveler, or simply a lover of Caribbean culture, you've come to the right place. From our mouth-watering cuisine and infectious music, to our colorful festival and fascinating history, I showcase the best of Jamaica and give you an insider's look at our beloved island. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to experience the warmth, beauty, and spirit of Jamaica through my videos. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today, guys, we're going to do Jamaican rum cake. You know, Christmas is just around the corner and many of us will be baking for Christmas and also we'll be baking for Thanksgiving. So I thought I will just give you 5 quick and easy steps to bake the best Jamaican rum cake you have ever had. Before we get started, guys, let's gather the ingredients we're going to need. 1 pound of brown sugar, 1 pound of flour, 1 pound of butter, 1 pound of raisins or cherries and mixed fruits, 3 cups red wine, 1 cup marmalade, 1 1/4 cup stout. This could be Guinness or Dragon, it doesn't matter. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Then once we gather our ingredients, we're going to grease our baking pans and set them aside. So now, once you have your ingredients and you have your baking pans all greased, then we're ready to get started. Step number 1, we're going to blend all our fruits with the wine, the marmalade, the rum, the stout, the vanilla, the rose water, and the almond flavoring. In other words, all the liquids will be blended along with the fruits. Step number 2, we're going to cream our butter and our sugar until it's nice and fluffy. Step number 3, we will combine our eggs one at a time with the butter and sugar mixture. Step number 4, we will put all our dry ingredients together, then add it to the mixture, alternating that with the blended liquid. Once we have everything together, we will add the browning. So we're going to do the browning last. Now, guys, step number 5, which is our final step, we're just gonna pour the mixture in the grease pans and we will bake this at 350 degrees for approximately 1.5 hours or until the skewer that is inserted comes out clean. Now, go ahead and try this recipe, guys, and let me know how yours turned out. I promise it's gonna be the best Jamaican rum cake you've ever had. Until next time, guys, ciao.